Namaste children. Today we are discussing about fundamental forces in nature. You know that a force can be defined as a push or a pull on an object that causes it to change its state of rest or uniform motion or shape, size, etc. There are four fundamental forces in nature, which are gravitational force, strong force, weak force, electromagnetic force. Gravitational force is the force of mutual attraction between any two objects by virtue of their masses. It is a universal force. It is always attractive in nature. It is the weakest but has an infinite range. Weakest means its strength is very less compared to the other forces. This force governs the motion of planets around the sun, motion of moon and satellites around the earth, etc. The force that binds the neutrons and protons together in a nucleus is called strong nuclear force. It is evident that without some attractive force, a nucleus will be unstable due to the electric repulsion between its protons. This attractive force can't be gravitational force, since force of gravity is negligible compared to the electric force between the charged particles. And this force is the strongest of all fundamental forces, but it is very short-ranged. Electromagnetic force is the second strongest force after the strong force. Like gravitational force, electromagnetic force acts over large distances and doesn't need any intervening medium. It is stronger than gravitational force. It can be attractive in nature as well as repulsive in nature. As you all know, like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other, like poles of the magnets repel each other, unlike poles of the magnets attract each other. So this force can be attractive as well as repulsive in nature. Weak nuclear force is weak compared to the strong force as the name implies, and it has the shortest range. This force is responsible for radioactive decay, especially nuclear beta decay, that you will study later.